Hello professionals, this is QuickBooks free tutorial videos for accountants, auditors, finance personnel. This video will help the university students in their accounting lab class section where they are expected to practice accounting software and ERP. This is the opportunity you have been waiting for. These free tutorial videos were carefully prepared and recorded for you to pass entry-level job placement in accounting profession. The video will teach you how to create customers, vendors, inventory and services. Also, the videos will teach you how to post sales orders, invoices, receipts, PO, receive purchases and payments. The videos will teach you how to extract different reports like accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory and services, and other management reports that are needed by the owners of business and CEOs. Click on the link below to have access to these free QuickBooks tutorial videos.